guys! Roger here. Welcome to Beauty Max channel. In today's video, mag-haul video na naman tayo. Konti lang ito guys, konti lang. Kasi napabili ako ng another few items that I need, okay? I already have a whole video just posted, okay? And if you want to watch it, I will leave a link here up, okay? Click that link, okay? If you want to see what I got. And for this video, alright, are you excited? Okay? Now, if you want to see what I got, then please keep on watching. Ito na ang ating napamili, okay? Let's start with Gaisano. Sa kanilang grocery, pumunta ako. Kaya nakabili ako nito. I really need it. Okay. Ito siya, yung holder sa mga brushes ko, guys. Alam niyo, no. Alam niyo ba kung anong holder ko? Ito yung holder ko, guys. Diba? Ice cream. Ang dami ko kasing ice cream na guys. Kasi mahilig ako sa ice cream. Marami akong container ng ice cream. Bakit mo naman i-throw away, diba? It's not good for the environment. Kaya, recycle na natin yan, okay? Huwag mag-inerte. Ito siya, guys. O, diba? Cup holder. Ano lang to? Magkano ba? 40 pesos siya. Okay? May, din siya, separate na compartment. Dalawa siya. So, I can use my brushes right here, okay? And itong ice cream container, at least I can use all yung mga gel liner ko, yung mascara, at saka other tools, diba? Hindi siya at least masasagregate ko siya sa brushes ko. Kasi nga, pinupulot ko lang ito lahat dito. So, I wish I could have like a table kasi wala ako nun. Kaya, yan. I will just gonna work my way of what I got, okay? Alright, so, same pa rin sa Gaisano, okay? Hindi nagbukas yung store nila. Meron silang area na, anong tawag doon? Mamisu yata. I don't know if I think it's a Chinese establishment na covered ng Gaisano. Okay, alright. So, napabili ako guys. Again. Okay. May nakita akong parang Real Techniques ba? Diba? I was drawn to it. Yung shape niya. Diba? Meron siyang dito flat. Diba, flat na area sa sponge. Dalawa yung binili ko. Ito, siya parang Real Techniques. Diba? At saka ito siya yung teardrop. Okay? Alright. Price. Ito pala. Mamisu. Mamisu pala. Ewan ko kung Japanese o Chinese ito. Ewan ko lang. Diba? The price for the orange sponge is 49 siya. Ito, yung light blue, siya, 39 pesos, okay? I'm not very sure kung ano ba talaga ito. Okay ba siya? Ay, hindi siya malambot. Hindi siya squeezy, Ay, mas squeezy yung guys. Ito yung Miniso. Ito, rubbery siya. Para na rin tong yung nabili ko sa Real Techniques din na parang ganito yung formula. Pero dry yun. I'm not so sure if this is intended for dry or wet. Kasi wala namang dito. Walang nakalagay Okay, yan. Alright. Ito, wala rin siya. Let's see kung malambot ba siya or Alright. Mas malambot ito ng konti. Konti lang, pero still, very rubbery pa rin siya. Hindi siya super lambot. I'm not so sure kung i-wet mo siya. Maganda ba siya? Ewan ko. Basta, I just need a backup, guys, for freelance, okay? Mas maigi pag meron ka ng mga tools na kailangan, hindi ka na magmamadali, or pag meron kang maraming clients pa, hindi ka na mas-shop. Okay, next item is ito. Kasi I need this to put my purses or my mga messenger bags sa cabinet ko. Isa lang kasi yung cabinet ko, and I really need to make use of a space, the small space that I have here. Kasi ang liit lang ng apartment namin, guys. Okay, this is how much? 59 pesos, okay? Ito, I will use it to hang my purses or belts or something like that. Meron pa, yun sa grocery store, meron pala dito Okay, sanitizer. Maliit yung kinuha ko, guys. Siya, Hygienics. Di ba may commercial si, ano nito eh, sino ba yun? Naku, nakakahiya. Hygienics sanitizer, maliit lang kasi gusto ko to for my freelance, diba? Para hindi siya bulky, guys. Mag-freelance ka, tapos you need a hand sanitizer. Saka dito rin pag nag-makeup ako, I need one. Okay, and Q-tips too, I need it, right? For makeup, also for clients. Okay, pag meron lang. I wish, no? I wish marami. Okay, alright, that's it. And what else did I got? Okay, last item. Not last item. At saka, no, I went to LA Girl counter. Sa labas din to siya after the store na nag-open. Ito yung nabili ko. Concealer. Dark concealer siya, guys. Kasi meron akong lighter foundation. Magagamit ito sa clients ko. Mas mabuti pag darker. Tapos meron kang lighter concealer or lighter foundation. Mag-work yun. Okay? Tapos LA Girl din naman yung lighter foundation ko. Yung super white talaga. Mixing foundation. Kaya maganda. Kaya I decided to just get the LA the Pro Conceal na dark shade, and the price nito is about $349. Okay, $349. And lastly ito BTLA big brush. Okay, big brush siya kasi it's good for clients too. Nag-prepare talaga noong I need more. Okay, more brushes. So, this is $249. Naka-sale kasi sila. Kaya, okay, sabi ko sa girl, okay na lang, kunin ko na. Okay, hopefully, it will last, no? Sure. Maganda naman siya, very smooth. Okay, and I think it can distribute well with the, like, blush and powder. Okay, I think it's gonna be fine. Right, next. What's next? Okay, last but not the least is this product from Watsons. Okay. Okay na. Na-review ko na to eh. Diba? Nagamit ko na to from Quick Fix. Diba? No Shine Modifier. I don't believe the claim for this one. No Shine Modifier. Super oily ko, guys. I don't believe this one. No Shine Modifier. No. It doesn't hold its claim. Okay. 99 pesos. It's fine. Alright. But it doesn't hold anything for me. Okay. It doesn't work. We'll find something else. Alright, next one. Dang-darang! Hi, Noemi! Okay, itong Skin Mate Shark Oil. Matagal na to sa akin, guys, kaya I forgot to include this in my the other haul video. But, yan, kasali ito. Alright, this is Skin Mate. Gusto ko kasing mawala yung scars ko dito. Para kasing meron akong mask dito, guys. Dito, surrounding my face. Dark siya. Tsaka meron akong mga talagang acne scars dito na mahirap talagang mawala. Even though I use a serum, the serum does help of preventing to make it darker. But gusto ko talaga siyang mawala siya. I will be using this product soon, and also I'm gonna make a review on this, on kung paano siya gawin, what's its usage, at how effective it is, at kung kailan mag-i-epekto sa aking mukha. Okay, I guess that's it. That's all my haul video for today. I hope you like this video, or I hope you liked a haul video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new, please don't leave without leaving a comment. Okay, alright, thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.